A very good morning to class 3 students and parents. Welcome to your maths class. Today is 21st July 2020. Day is Tuesday. So far in chapter number 4 multiplication, we have learned how to multiply the numbers using skip counting method, repeated addition. Today I am going to teach you two different methods for finding multiplication. One is column method, second is lattice method. So let's start. Number one is 32 has to be multiplied by 3, right? We cannot write 32 times 3 and then add. So it's a very long process. That's why we will use column method. In column method, we will write the bigger number first, that is 32. So write it 3 to 32 and this 3 will be written down. Let me tell you, the first number is called multiplicand. Okay, जो multiply होता है, and the second number is called multiplier, the one which multiply the number. And once we multiply it, this is the sign of multiplication, we get a product, the answer. So let us start. We will take 3 and multiply it with ones place. You know it well, this is ones and this is tens place. 3 2s are 6. We will use multiplication table which I have taught you in the quarterly. 3 3s are 9. So first 3 will multiply to the ones place and then tens place. This is how we do multiplication. Moving to the next question. Again we have 63, a 2-digit number which is multiplying with a 1-digit number. So write 6 3 down 9, put a sign of multiplication, a line, and start multiplying 9 with 3 and then 9 with 6. 9 3s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. See, remember, whenever we add, subtract, multiply, we cannot write 2-digit number because here 9 3s are is 27. So what will you write? You will write 7 of the ones place and 2 will be your carry. Okay, so 27 was the answer. 7 down, 2 up as carry. Now next, 9 6s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. 54 plus 2 carry, 55, 56. So write here 5 6 56. Many more examples we will do in the book. I am just telling you the types of multiplication question. Number 3 is, now we have a 3-digit number. So process will be same, method will be same. Write 2 3 4 234 and 2 the multiplier down, put the sign of multiplication and a bar. First 2 will multiply to the ones place, then tens place, then hundred place. So let us start. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So this is our product, 468. Now I will teach you next method, multiplication using lattice method. What is lattice method? It's a method in which the bigger number are multiplied with smaller one using a grid. What do you mean by grid? Grid is a table. Let me show you. I have taken same questions. Okay, I have taken same questions so that we can understand if we use column method or lattice method, our answer will be same. Let us start. 32. So we need a 2 by 1 digit by grid. So 2 columns for writing 32 up and 1 for writing 3. This is 2 by 1 grid. Now we will divide each box into 2 parts by a diagonal line. इस लाइन को, तिरछी लाइन को बोलते हैं diagonal line. We will divide every box with diagonal line. Now we have 2 parts of each box. This is your tens place, this is your ones place. ठीक है, ये ones place है, ये tens place है. When you are multiplying here, देखो हमने जब multiply करा, we need to write the carry. क्यों carry लिखना पड़ा? क्योंकि we cannot write 27 here. But यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आपके पास ones place के लिए भी जगह है, tens place के लिए भी जगह है, तो आप दोनों के दोनों यहाँ पे लिखोगे. कैसे? 3 2s are, अभी कैसे लिखेंगे वो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे हम. 3 2s are 6. अब 6 तो मैंने लिख दिया ones place में. What will we write in tens place? Nothing. Nothing means 0. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 9 comes in the ones place. So what will be written here? 0. Clear? Now what we will do? We will look at diagonally. हम diagonally देखेंगे. Right? What is in this area? Only 6. What is in this area? 0 and 9. Add them. We add. Okay, 0 plus 9 is 9. And here 0. So the answer is 096. That means 96. See, it is matching. Let us do one more another question. 63 into 9. So we need a 2 by 1 grid. This is 2 column. Okay, 63 and 9. Divide it diagonally so that we can write ones and tens place. 9 threes are 27. So write 2, 7, 27. 9 six are 54. Write 5 up, 4 down. So remember, this is ones place and this is tens place area. Now extend it and add diagonally. What is here? Only 7. Students, do not make mistake do not make mistake adding these numbers. ये बाहर के नंबर ऐड नहीं होंगे, बॉक्स के अंदर वाले नंबर ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है. 7, 4 plus 2 is 6 and here 5. So answer is 567. See, it's matching. Now moving to next question where we have 3 digits. So what? We will make a grid where we have 3 columns. Okay, and here only 1. So write 2 here. 234 up. The multiplicand, multiplier. Let's start. Before that, we need to divide it with diagonal line. 2 fours are 8. So ones place 8, tens place nothing. 2 threes are 6. Write 6 down, 0 up. 2 twos are 4. 4 down, 0 up. Let us add diagonally now. What is here? 8. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 4, 4. And here 0. What is our answer? 468. See, it's matching. Let us do similar questions in some exercises. Now you will see exercises related to what we have studied today. I will do 2 parts. Rest you will do yourself. Okay. Come to page number 68. Put today's date 21.7.20. Okay. And number 1, multiply. What is it? 12 multiply by 2. So this 2 will multiply ones place and then tens place. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. This is how you will get the answer. Let me do next question. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Okay. Rest you do and understand. If you look at the next page, question number 2 is asking find the products using lattice multiplication. So what is the question? 23 multiplied by 2. What you will do, students, you will just cut these 2. You will not write anything here. Where will you write your answers? Only in the last grid. How? I will show you again. 2 threes are 6. 6 in ones place, 0 in tens place. 2 twos are 4. This way, and then add diagonally. Here 6, 0 plus 4, 4, and here 0. So the answer is 46. So right here 23 multiplied by 2. 23 multiplied by 2 gives you the answer as 46. Okay, let us do one more. 3 zeros are 0. 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place. 3 threes are 9. 9 ones place, 0 in the tens place. Now add. Here look diagonally. तिरछे होके देखो. 0, 0 plus 9, 9 and 0. What is the answer? 90. 90, 90. So right here 30 multiplied by 3 is 90. And this is what called multiplication fact. What does it call? Multiplication fact. You do see part yourself. Now I'm turning the pages and I'm showing that we have similar exercises. They are not different. Whatever we have studied today, very simple exercises. So we will put today's date and do. I am doing one question. Okay. 4 threes are 12. I cannot write 12. So this is my 12. Ones place, tens place. Ones place down and tens place as carry. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Clear? So this is how you will do the calculation. If I show you D part, 5 threes are 15. 5 down, carry 1. 5 sevens are is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 1, 36. So you will write here 3, 6, 36. Okay, do it. Here again we have lattice multiplication method. Cut these two, cut these two. Fill your answer in the last grid only. Like 3 5s are 15. 1 5 15. 3 2s are 6. 0 6 6. Add diagonally. This is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7 and this is 0. So what is our answer? 75. So 25 multiplied by 3 is 75. So fill your answer this way in B part. Moving to the next question. See, very small exercises. That is why we are able to do 3 exercises today. All has to be done in the book only. Do not write, okay, in the notebook. So let us do this. A 3-digit multiplicand with 1-digit multiplier. Start. 3 will multiply 1's place, then 10's place, then 100 place. So let us start. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Here is your answer. Do it. Do it this way. If I do D part for you, 4 2s are 8. 4 zeros are not 4. 4 zeros are is 0. 4 1s are 4. Okay. Again, we will strike off these 2 grid. We will write our answer in the last grid. 2 4s are 8. 0 8. 2 3s are 6. 0 6. 2 1s are 2. 0 2. Because we have 2 places. 0 2. Okay. Diagonally add 8. 0 plus 6 6. 0 plus 2 2. And here only 0. Answer is 268. Right here in this box 268. Okay. You have like this. So what is your homework? Do exercise 4.3, 4.4, 4.5 in book. What is the page number? 68 to 74. Till then, have a nice day, students. Take care.